Check out the series. Your information on your smartphone, but did not fill out the paper, you're not actually in. Yes.
Yeah, I got my hair for it.
Go into any common fixture.
Oh, I think so. Holy shit, we just like,
Can you hold this?
yeah, dude.
Look at the hair.
Mm-hmm.
This is like mine.
I got no food.
His body has 2 tons.
Yeah. This is really cool.
Yeah, dude. No, that's great. Next time I want to do
All right, just about 10 more minutes until we do our final raffle for the top video light valued at $899. Normally, we're giving one away for free. We're on the hour since 10 a.m. yesterday. All you have to do to participate in the raffle is start lining up here in front of this production cart.
I had to take out the audio here because it's me yelling at my kid to turn around and look at the scary military industrial complex dog. And it's so cute, but also so scary in real life. Because if you know what these things can do, if they're programmed by the military, it's not good. So I was really scared to see this in real life.
Speak louder, robot dog. Anyway, 350B, $900 light, 350 watt bi-color LED video complex. We've been giving it away every hour.
How are you guys today?
That's where I gotta go. I was supposed to go that way. So that
Because I thought it's one guy. Yeah, but I thought it's and the kid.
Right? How cool is this?
Eso, ya.
I mean, especially stadium environment. I mean, certainly we would like out in the stadium. That's why. They're kind of bad. You got somebody maybe it's just the guy I've been talking to online for a long time.
Come over here.
So evidently there's an HBA party.
Power box. Come on, let's go this way.
You said that we would get to see Bugs Bunny.
Yeah, let's go do that, okay?
Industry needs to kind of wake up a little bit for that.
Oh,
She just turned 2 yesterday.
Oh,
I wanted to bring her in here, but
what's her name?
or something.
His name is Max.
Max. Not Max. Happy Dad.
Happy Max.
Happy Max. I love it. Happy Max. Okay. So, of course, no, of
They're
course.
being very nice to me.
They're being a great Santa. Nice. No, well, you deserve it. I mean, quite impressive to stay relevant for so many decades. Because everybody that's falling on average, all this competition is insane. But you got the right people, the right heart, and the right product that keeps winning. Because they can eternally work with you, so consume because of this episode. Film it as it. And now with the 2024, we just it like last Sunday, we did hit like the Russell downtown lake at the end, and Focus Puller had the 104 is the guy helped me figure this out. You guys, I'm not sure who you talked to, but good little tour, I guess.
I'm glad we didn't have to walk with this entire distance.
Oh, absolutely, no, it was wonderful, yeah. How